Hey, what is going on, guys? Edward here, back with another video. Thank you so much for being here again. Today I wanted to show you the entry I spotted today. I was actually stopped out once on Nasdaq, but then actually ended up pushing up with a second entry I actually made, which was this flag right here, going for the 1 to 3 risk to reward. Markets are still bullish, guys, and the reason why, look at this, all green, all of this. Even Tesla yesterday was having a massive crash, which, by the way, let me just take a screenshot of this and send it to the team right now. This is mad. It is totally green, and this is it's also crazy to think that why are the markets pushing up so strong today? Why is that? Let me show you first the first setup I had this morning, and the reason why I was going on a buy. Hey, let me show you first on a 1 hour so you can have an idea. So I was thinking, okay, on a 1 hour, Nasdaq is actually touching. Nasdaq was actually rejecting. It's starting to show some rejection to this 1 hour OB right here. So yes, I was considering going into sales. However, of course, every morning I check what the markets are doing before I actually make my position. So look at this high. You see this high right here? If I go on US 30, look at what happened. Look at what happened here. This is the high, right? But look at what happened. This morning, the market was already here. So it means that US 30 had broken already this high, right? And if I go on S&P 500, look at this. Also, this high right here had already been broken. So what is that telling me? It's telling me that Nasdaq is moving a little slower. You see, Nasdaq was actually here. It was below this high. So Nasdaq is actually moving a little slower. It was moving slower today. So I was thinking, okay, if US 30 and S&P 500 already broke that high, I'm sure Nasdaq will eventually follow and break it as well. It will follow that direction. So I started doubting on going on sales. I didn't want it to go into sales, to be honest. And so I was going on a 5-minute, and I spotted this little thing right here. Spot a little liquidity, spot a little consolidation in this area, right? Market was consolidating. Liquidity was formed below these lows right here, right? Liquidity is money sitting, so stop losses are here. So I was looking for the market to go down, activate this order block, and then push. But what happened? Look, the market went a little deeper, just a little deeper before actually going my direction. This would have been a nice 1 to 5 risk to reward right there. But I know, I get it. It will happen. It will happen. So I'm not mad because of that. I know this type of manipulations, they will happen. Maybe this was it was not for me. So let me show you when I sent to the VIP, when I sent the actual ship. The market was activating already that, and I was taking a little partial. I took a little partial right there. So where was the entry? Right here. This is before. So I was expecting the market to just keep consolidating just for a little bit more, and then breaking, touching the OB. Look at the imbalance, little imbalance right there. So all the setup right here, it was telling me to buy. I was definitely looking into that buy. But what happened? Look at that. So this type of things, these type of traps, they will happen, guys. It's just you have to learn and understand mentally that these things will happen. Okay? Am I blowing my account with this single trade? Hell no. I'm not risking that much. Okay? So I normally trade risk only 2% per trade. Okay? I'm not a crazy guy who's gonna be risking my entire account every single day. Okay? So I don't do that. So yes, I did get stopped out. Then after being stopped out, I was telling the team, guys, just be careful, because okay, even though market is reacting, yeah, I know we are in this 1 hour, order block, nice, and it could be reacting, but another thing that is happening is that on Friday we're having the NFP. Okay, if we go on this website, right here, you see that we're having a non-farm payroll on Friday. And also tomorrow we have a bunch of reports, a bunch of news tomorrow. So a lot of things can happen right here. So my guess is, because it has happened before, that markets will be bullish, completely bullish the entire week, and then it will crash on Friday, like it happened here. Price will be bullish. This is an NFP. This was also, I think this was the CPI. If I'm not mistaken, this was the CPI report. But you see the market, like all of a sudden it starts bullish, like with a very weird movement. You don't even see even like big candles at all. It's a very weird movement to the upside. I would say is artificial. Or market makers are just pushing or trying to push this thing up. I'm not sure what it is exactly, but it's weird, but it happens. So prices start pushing. So by the time the report is out, boom, it crashes. So right here, it's happening. The market has recently now broken this high, and you just look at this. It's been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 candles so far. 4-hour candles pushing up. Completely bullish, like it was nothing, like there was no inflation at all. So why is that thing pushing up? Also consider that even though we're bearish, the market will have mini rallies from time to time. Okay, not all the time is going to be just going a straight forward on a single straight line like that. No, we are going to have rallies, mini rallies. So we have, price will push, pull back. You got to push and you got to pull back, push and pull back. Right? It moves in waves. So pullbacks are healthy, are necessary. The pullbacks have to happen. And sometimes they're going to be a little bigger. Sometimes it's going to be with some type of manipulation. All of that will happen. You just have to be ready. Okay? But as I mentioned, this was the first entry I made this morning. And then I decided to be a little bit more patient and just wait to see what the market is actually forming. And I was like, okay, I am on a bullish trend. Definitely, the market was pushing all over Asian session. It was pushing up, and I was like, what the hell is going on here? Why is Asian session even pushing as well? So it's crazy. So I saw the potential flag, and I just went in with the buy. So I placed my stop loss below these lows. Take profit 1, 2, 3 risk to reward. That's it. I should have aimed this high right here, the actual high that it needed to be broken. This high right there. I should have aimed that, definitely, to be honest. But I was just trying not to be greedy today. So not just that, I did send to the team, look at this. I did send to the team the US 30 prediction, because Nasdaq, look at this. I sent this 3. I sent US 30, same setup. Even looking even beautiful. A lot better, because we have an order block right here, supply zone. Now we have the flag, so the entry, you could have entered here and stop below and TP at least to this high. So it would have been a nice right there. S&P doing exactly the same thing. US 30, Nasdaq was the only one you see that was a little beachy today that stopped me out. It didn't respect this OB. That's why I got stopped out on that one, but it is what it is. So I send the signal to the team. I send now to the free group. I send them the setup on US 30, right? If you're following me on my free Telegram group, I post setups as well from time to time. I try to do it daily. If I spot something nice, if I don't see anything, I may not be sending anything, because I'm normally trying to be very, very picky. And this markets nowadays has been kind of a little crazy. But I do send setups, guys. And if you've been following me also on YouTube and the TP strategy, you should know how to trade this. If not, and you wanna be part of the team and part of the actual team profits, I am offering a bundle. So you can go on my website, Team Profits. What is going on with this mouse? You can go on my website, teamprofitsfx.com. You'll find out that I'm offering a bundle right now. There's a 20% discount, $96. It's a one-time payment. You're getting my course, mentorship, plus VIP signal group for life, okay? And not just that, if you're interested in just in signals, these are monthly signals, which is for $40, but I highly recommend you getting the entire thing, because it's only a one-time payment and you're part of the family forever, okay? So that is basically it, guys. That was the setup that I spot today. We had one loss and one nice win right here on this buy. Markets most likely will continue pushing up. The reason? NFP. So get prepared for the NFP. We're most likely going to have a big crash. Who knows? Who knows? Let's see what's going to happen on Friday. So see you then. Take it easy, guys.